Hi everyone, my name is Marie and I'm an educator at Crystal Bridges. I'm so excited to make art with you today. For this My Museum kit, you're learning all about sculpture. One of my favorite sculptures at the museum is Badlawn. Badlawn was created by the artist Roxy Payne in 1998. It's made of materials like metal, wood, and plastic, but has been painted to look just like a real lawn. It's called Badlawn because there are weeds and mushrooms growing everywhere in the grass. But I think those different plants are what make me like this sculpture so much. Sometimes I imagine what it would be like to play on this lawn. What would you see? What kind of animals or insects might live here?
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
Today, we're going to create a mini lawn of our own. Grab these materials from your My Museum kit. Pencil, foam board, craft buttons, felt sheets, cellophane sheets, tissue paper circles, pipe cleaners, and tacky glue. First, cover the foam board by gluing down felt, tissue paper, and cellophane sheets to create a base for your lawn. Then create grass by twisting strips of tissue paper. Fold the bottom of the grass and glue it to the base. This makes your lawn three-dimensional, a sculpture. What other plants could be in your lawn? To make a flower, find two buttons of different sizes. The smaller button will be the center of the flower, and the larger button will be the petals. You can use a pipe cleaner as the stem and thread it through the holes of the button. Then glue the smaller button on top and bend the end of the stem to create leaves that you can glue to the base. You might also find insects crawling through the grass. To make a caterpillar, tie the ends of two pipe cleaners together and twist them around a pencil to create a coil. Use different colors to create stripes. Make your caterpillar look as if it's inching its way across the ground and glue it in place. What else could you make for your lawn using the materials in the kit? Once you're done, put away any unused supplies back into your box. Then, take a moment to admire your project. After finishing your mini lawn, ask an adult if you can grab a couple of toys and take them on an adventure outside. Make up a story by arranging them in a natural environment. What are they doing? What do they see? I hope you had lots of fun making your very own bad lawn. Thank you so much for creating this project with me.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag #MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!